We've now seen the oldest light in the universe, the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is the afterglow of the Big Bang. So we know that the universe was hot and dense 13.8 billion years ago. We have so much evidence for that, not least that we have a photograph of it 380,000 years after the Big Bang. It's called the cosmic microwave background.
Let's see that. Let me see that.
There it is. So that is light that was emitted about 380,000 years after the Big Bang. So in this young universe, 380,000 years after the Big Bang, that's only hydrogen and helium gas, basically, and a bit of lithium, some of the lighter elements, but basically hydrogen and helium. But these little density fluctuations are very important because as the universe expanded and cooled, they collapsed to form the galaxies.